lucky number. Cafe Colombo is always busy. There are always people sitting at the tables in Cafe Colombo. The men and women are all well dressed. They drink coffee. They eat ice cream. They read newspapers. Charlie does not sit in Cafe Colombo. Charlie is not well dressed. He sits on the pavement outside Cafe Colombo. He sits on a small box. Charlie is a shoeshine boy. Charlie shines shoes. He does not go to school. He works all day. Charlie shines men's shoes. He shines ladies' shoes. He shines black shoes. He shines brown shoes. He shines blue shoes. Shoeshine, shoeshine. 10 cents. 10 cents. 10 cents a shine. A man in Cafe Colombo shouts, Charlie. Charlie runs into Cafe Colombo. He puts his box at the man's feet. The man puts one foot on the box. The man's shoes are black. The man's shoes are dirty. Charlie cleans the man's shoes. The man gives Charlie 10 cents. Charlie takes the 10-cent coin. He picks up his box. He goes back to the pavement. An old man walks slowly along the pavement. The old man is carrying a large board. There is a notice on the board. The old man is selling lottery tickets. Buy a ticket, win a fortune. $1 a ticket. Give me a ticket. Hurry. A well-dressed man in Cafe Colombo is shouting. The ticket seller gives the man a ticket. The man gives the ticket seller $1. The well-dressed man is in a hurry. A taxi is waiting. The man puts the ticket in his pocket quickly. The man gets into the taxi. The ticket falls out of his pocket. The wind blows the ticket into the air. Your ticket! Your ticket! It's yours, shouts the well-dressed man. Cafe Colombo closes at midnight. Charlie's home is far away. Every night, Charlie has a long walk home. Charlie's mother is waiting for him. He gives her all the money. Charlie has no father. Charlie has younger brothers and younger sisters. Charlie's mother needs the money. She buys food with the money. Charlie shows his mother the lottery ticket. His mother looks at the ticket. She reads the number 753812946. Is this the winning number? Perhaps it is. Saturday 21 is tomorrow. Perhaps tomorrow will be their lucky day. Charlie is tired. He puts the ticket on his box. He falls asleep. Charlie has a dream. A goat comes into the house. The goat finds the ticket. The goat is eating the ticket. The goat eats the number 6. The goat eats the number 4. The goat eats the number 9. Charlie wakes up. It is morning. The ticket is not on the box. Where is the ticket? Charlie runs to the lottery office. Charlie sees his mother. She has the ticket. A man is shouting out the winning number. 75381294. Will the next number be 6? Will it be their lucky number? Will it be their lucky day? The man shouts the last number. 6! He yells. Charlie and his mother look at their ticket. The numbers match. They have won the lottery. They cannot believe it. Charlie and his mother are very happy. They hug each other and laugh. Now they will not be poor anymore. Charlie can go to school and his brothers and sisters too. His mother will not worry about food or money. They go back home to tell everyone the good news. All the neighbors come to celebrate. Charlie thanks the man who dropped the ticket. That man made them lucky. Now Charlie has a new life. He will never forget his lucky number.
Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. Share your thoughts in the comments.